Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a live connection. Make sure Bluetooth is on and your AirPods are actively paired to your iPhone or iPad. Once paired, open Settings and go straight to Bluetooth. You want the device list visible. Locate your AirPods entry, then tap the small info icon. That opens the controls where the name field lives. Do this now so you're editing the current, connected unit rather than an offline profile. Now change the name. Tap Name in the AirPods options, delete the existing text, and type the new label that identifies these earbuds for you. Make it concise so it shows fully in menus. If you prefer a Mac, open System Settings, choose Bluetooth, find the AirPods, click Options, and rename. The steps are equivalent. Once done, iCloud typically propagates the change across your devices. Give it a few seconds and then check other devices to confirm the update. Finish by verifying the new name shows up in Bluetooth lists, Control Center, and the audio output selector. That confirms success. If it didn't update, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or sign out and back into iCloud to force a sync. As a last resort, reset the AirPods, put them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED blinks amber then white, then repair. This clears stubborn name cache issues and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.